In the second part, we're going to continue with solving an equation, but now we're going to focus on multiplying and dividing. So just like before, we solve for the unknown variable, trying to get it by itself, and then use opposite operations. So, in our first example, we have x over 5 equals 6. So when it's a fraction, it basically means x divided by 5. So what's the opposite of division is multiplication. So what we're going to do is trying to have x as a whole variable, meaning that we need to get rid of 5. So what's opposite of division by 5 is multiplying by 5 on the left. Since I multiply 5 on the left, I'm going to multiply by 5 on the right. So over here, when you have 5 divided by 5, it becomes 1, and we're just left with x equal 6 times 5, which is 30. So since x is by itself, x equals 30 is our final answer. In example 2, we have negative u divided by 2 equals 4. So when we want to get u by itself, we want to get rid of negative 2. So since it's being divided by negative 2, we have a negative right here, and we want a positive variable. So we have divided by negative 2. I'm going to multiply by negative 2. So since I multiplied the left side by negative 2, I'm going to multiply the right side by negative 2. So again, when it comes to a fraction, we multiply by a whole number, negative 2. So negative 2 divided by negative 2 is just 1. We're left with u on the left equals 4 times negative 2. That's going to be negative 8. Since u is by itself, we're going to say that's the final answer. U equals negative 8. Now in example 3, we have 3x equals 18. So when you see a number and a variable right next to each other, it means that it's multiplying. So if we want to get x by itself, we need to get rid of this 3. So in order to get rid of the 3 from x, the opposite of multiplication is division. So since we have 3x, we're going to divide by what's in front of it, which is 3. So I'm dividing by 3 on the left. Since I divided by 3 on the left, and we divide by 3 on the right. So again, 3 divided by 3 is just 1. So we're going to have left is x on the left. Then we're going to do 18 divided by 3 on the right, which is 6. So since we have x by itself, this will be the final answer for example 3. X equals 6. In example 4, we have negative 4x equals 36. So in front of the x is negative 4, and I want to get rid of it. So since they're right next to each other, that means it's multiplying. So what's opposite of multiplying is division. So we're going to divide by what's in front of it, which is negative 4. Since I divided by negative 4 on the left, I'm going to divide by negative 4 on the right. So again, negative 4 divided by negative 4 will be 1. So I'm left with x on the left. And I do 36 divided by negative 4, which is negative 9. So since x is by itself, x equals negative 9 is the final answer for example 4.